Yo, what's good, guys? Very fun day in the market today. Seems like things are starting to heat up. You got penny stocks running pretty hard. AEOC. If you're in the Discord, we made insane money on that today. You know, massive gains today. People multiplying their accounts, um, making a couple thousand as usual. 18,000, uh, 36,000. A couple hundred, making money on these small accounts, all these options, 3,300, 18,000. Just money's being made all over the place. And if you aren't in the Discord, I really don't know why you aren't. We were watching AERC since under 5. We're talking about the sky's the limit. If we break it, the sky's the limit. And, we were looking for 13. If you're in the Discord, you can see that. It speaks for itself. And, I said in my video, you can pay this lifetime deal off in a week. And what do you know? Paid it off in a day. It speaks for itself. I'm not sure why you aren't in the Discord if you are not in it already. We're not going to leave this up for long because it's not fair to keep this up to all the people who didn't get in on this. And, if you are not in this, I really don't know why you aren't. So, we're keeping it up. I'm going to put in the description. Go check it out. This is probably the only time we're going to do this. It's a pretty big steal. You get a guide too. And, if you don't want to, that's on you. So, we're going to hop into the charts now. Taking a look at the general market. Still no clear direction, which is getting a little irritating. It's kind of starting to push these stress levels on both sides. The bulls and the bears. You think it's going down a lot, and then what do you know? We rallied basically the entire day. We gapped down pretty hard and went up basically the entire day, which was just absurd. And we're still in this channel. It seems like we're just waiting for a catalyst. I really don't know how long it can do this for. We're still in this. And, I'm going to talk about this trend line a little bit, but I'm going to show you that wedge. It's almost like we ignored the wedge. You broke through the bottom of it, wherever that line is, around here, wherever that is, and that top trend line, wherever this comes from. We're out of it, and it just seems to be ignoring it. So it's quite interesting, actually. That wedge, I don't know, doesn't seem as important anymore, but this trend line, I do think is pretty important. I think this is one we really want to be watching. This is probably one of the biggest, this is an important trend line. And you can see I'm not drawing it out on top of this because, I'm just lining it up to see where I have more reactions. And, there's a chance if it does go through this, then this becomes a line that it has to hit. But, which is in the 420s. But, we're going to be watching this line to see if tomorrow, I've really been saying this every day, like, maybe tomorrow we drop, maybe tomorrow the next day. And, we did drop, but we ran all the way back up to the top. So it's like, I don't know, we drop, but again, it just stays flat. And, of course, those divergences are still there. But, you got to keep all things in mind. There's a chance this thing starts to turn bullish. And, again, it's a really tricky spot because, I've been waiting to see if we get this move down into foam C and we run hard out of it. And, there's a chance if we go up into foam C, we drop big, and that could mean we take out these lows. Uh, it's a very, very tricky area, but you got this channel, which we've been in for over a week now, and you add a very important trend line here. And another big thing that I want you all to be watching is a possible wedge that's forming, and like a bigger one, which I'm gonna show you right here. So you got this bottom trend line and this top trend line, and let's just say it rejects from here or whatever, or let's just say it goes higher actually, and you come up to around here. If we get rejected there, it's possible this becomes a falling wedge, and you go lower than this. I would think you go to 365. That's a level me and someone else in the Discord have been aiming for since February or March, so it's all measured out, and it's likely we would go to 365, and maybe we reverse from there. I mean, the potential for that to happen is insane, or just really high, that if we get rejected and we take out that low, we bounce from here, there's that chance you could run pretty big and break out of this actually. So however this plays out, it might not play out, but you know, that's just something to keep in mind that could possibly play out. And yeah, there's just, it seems it's just waiting for a catalyst. You know, it'd be really nice if this could just move one way and just get the move over with, but it's taking its own sweet time. So this could be consolidation before moving up, continuing up, and you got this big area right here, just under 408, and yeah, right under 408, and then I believe 407. So yeah, you had this area right here act as support, kind of a small range, but you're getting reactions right here, and then this bottom trend line, which was resistance and then became support. And you know, if we get under this, we should get a nasty drop. But Foam C is on the 14th and 15th, and if we don't drop before then, I genuinely don't really know what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna try and make a guess, because you know, that you can't really make money just by guessing. You gotta have like your claims and your evidence and all your you know, I guess your factors to back everything up, because if you're just guessing and hoping, the markets aren't for you. So right now, I'm really not sure what's coming, because today we showed a lot of bullish strength, but there's a chance this could be a bull trap, because I mean, a couple of reasons. Every time you hit this, you get rejected, you drop back down, and you know, it's been trapping everyone in both directions. So really, it just looks like you gotta be waiting to see which way it breaks out. It looks like there's some resistances in the low 420s, which seems to be right around here. And you know, you got that gap there, which I said a long time ago I think we would be heading up to 429. And you got a gap at 438. You can go back, look at those videos, and you know, just see how I explained everything and my thought processes. And I think if we break this channel, we're probably gonna get up into the 420s. But if we get rejected, you get that bull trap, we could be taking out this and, you know, heading lower. So we're in this channel and we're just waiting for a breakout. We've been in this for over a week now, and still indecision. And you know that I actually didn't look at the inside bar, but wow. So we are still in this thing, and this is crazy. We're still inside of this, So there is still indecision. Yeah, so there's a direction has not been chosen yet. Yeah, wow. So I guess tomorrow we'll see if we choose direction. It looked bullish today, but could be a bear trap. And um, you know, the general direction seems to be up right now. And with these catalysts coming up, it's gonna make the markets move big. So next week is the big week. Maybe we consolidate until next week with CPI, but I think CPI could give us a direction. And we'll see how FOMC treats us with the follow-up. So yeah, I'm not really sure what to say. You got divergences. You're hitting this trend line. You're still in this channel. You're still in that candle with indecision. And it's not going down. So maybe we keep squeezing. We're holding these levels well. So there's not really anything else to point out besides that. That's where I'm going to leave this video. We're just going to have to wait and see which way it breaks out, because at some point it's going to break out. And I'm not sure if that's going to be before CPI and FOMC, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. So that's where I'm going to leave the video. If you watch this whole thing through, make sure to show the video some love. Leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on this stuff. And join the Discord. I can't stress this enough. Just join the Discord. Go check it out. And you can pay that thing off within a week, maybe even a day. You know, today was a solid day, and a lot of people made money. So I'm not sure why you wouldn't want to be doing that too. So make sure to go check that out. I'm gonna have that in the description. And yeah, that's where I'm gonna leave this video. So peace out, guys.